Hey everyone, welcome to the new BoloSign tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to use the new document question type in BoloSign forms. With this feature, you can add contracts, license PDFs, policies, or other important documents directly inside your form so users can review the details before they submit their response. So here I've created this particular employee feedback form, and before this last signature question, I would like to add a document which the employee would be reviewing before signing this particular form. So to add that document type question, towards the right hand side, you'll be having this option called add document. So just click onto the question after which you want to add the document question type and select add document. So here you'd be able to see this particular question has popped up, and you can see this button to upload your desired PDF. Just click onto this and you can browse the desired PDF from your system. So once you have selected the desired PDF, you can also frame the question for that particular document. So the main purpose of this particular feature is, let's say an employee is leaving the company and the HR needs them to complete an exit form. Instead of writing a long confusing question, the HR can attach the document in the question so that the employee can open the document and read the detailed terms, understanding what is expected, and then answer the question with proper context. After reading, he can sign the form right away and he need not download the document or print it out, and it saves a lot of time. So let's see how this will look when the employee is filling out this particular form. So I'm just clicking onto the preview over here. So this is how it would look to your employee while he's filling out the form. And here is the document type question. So he'll be reading through this particular document. He can click onto this and he can zoom the document if anything is not visible. He can read through this entirely, and then he can sign this particular document and send it right away. So this will save a lot of time and a lot of confusions that might occur. I hope this video would have been useful to you. Thanks for watching.